New for SOLIDWORKS in 2024 is the ability to preview dimensions associated with sketch geometry. Selecting the sketch entities allows SOLIDWORKS to preview the associated dimension. If we click on the dimension, SOLIDWORKS will allow us to modify and place the dimension. Visibility for this is controlled in System Options. Underneath System Options and the Sketch option, you'll notice we have a checkbox for previewing sketch dimensions, so that can be toggled on or off. Color for those dimensions is a default gray. You can change that in our System Options under Color Settings. It makes for a very quick way to add dimensions on the fly. And what's nice about it too is it'll even preview angle dimensions.